Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about turning your Raspberry Pi into cloud storage and a home server.
Imagine having your own private cloud, just like Google Drive or Google Photos, but fully under your control. No subscriptions, no privacy worries, and accessible from anywhere in the world. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn a tiny Raspberry Pi into your own cloud storage and home server using Umbrel OS. Let's get started. What you need first, let's talk about what you need. You'll need a Raspberry Pi 5, a hard drive or SSD, a LAN cable, and a stable internet connection. That's it. With just these simple things, you can build your own powerful home server. Now open your browser and go to umbrel.com. Once you're there, navigate to the Umbrel OS page. From there, you'll find a link to the GitHub page. On GitHub, download all the necessary files required for Raspberry Pi. Make sure you download the correct version for your device. Next, connect your hard drive to your PC or laptop. Now download and install a tool called Balena Etcher. This software will help us install the operating system onto the drive. Once installed, open Balena Etcher. Select the Umbrel OS file you downloaded earlier. Then choose your hard drive as the target device. Finally, click on Flash and wait for the process to complete. After flashing is complete, safely remove the hard drive from your PC. Now connect the hard drive to your Raspberry Pi. Plug in the Ethernet cable to your router. Finally, power on your Raspberry Pi. Now just wait for about 5 minutes while it boots up and sets everything up automatically. After 5 minutes, go to your browser and type umbrel.local. This will open the Umbrel setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup. Create your account, set a password, and you're done. Once completed, you'll see a clean and modern dashboard interface. Now comes the exciting part, installing apps. First, install Nextcloud. Nextcloud works just like Google Drive. You can upload files, store documents, and access them anytime. Next, install Image for photo storage. Image is very similar to Google Photos. It automatically organizes your photos and lets you view them beautifully. The best part about Umbrel OS is accessibility. You can access your server within your home network, and even from outside your home using remote access features. So whether you're at home or traveling, your personal cloud is always with you. And that's it. Your very own cloud storage and home server is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.